Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to send crypto to an external wallet from crypto.com. So first thing you're gonna need to do is just open your wallet, and then from here, just click on accounts, and then after that, just click on crypto wallet. And then you just have to select the crypto that you want to transfer. So in this case, it's going to be Tether USDT. And then after that, just click on transfer. And then from here, you want to click on external wallet. And then you want to add a wallet address. In this case, it's going to be Solana because that is the same address. But you have to make sure that you're doing this with the correct address that you are sending the wallet to. And then after that, just go ahead and copy and paste your wallet address in here. Just add the one that you want to send. So just paste it in here. And then just name the wallet after you paste the wallet address here. So you can name it whatever you want. And then after you add that wallet address, you can see that it will be added to your withdrawal list. And then if you tap on the withdraw beside that, you will see a notification that it does not allow you to withdraw money or withdraw crypto since it has a 24 hours cooling period. So you just have to wait for 24 hours and then repeat the process. So you can just rewatch this video whenever you want and then go ahead and withdraw once the 24 hours is over. And that's pretty much it. That's how you transfer crypto to an external wallet from crypto.com. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!